Today we have the 2024 MG4. This vehicle has done just under 5,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control and assist, as well as our automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access Apple and Android CarPlay, weather, charging and radio, and navigation. As we swipe across, we can access video, our vehicle settings, EV route, and our 360 degrees camera. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.